Job was a faithful man, blessed with wealth, family, and good health. But one day, everything changed. He lost his livestock, his home, his children, and was struck with painful sores. Yet through his suffering, Job never cursed God. He said, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." Because of Job's faithfulness, God restored everything, giving him even more than before. Job's story reminds us faith and patience restore us through trials. Trust God even when life gets tough. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.